Hi friends, today I would like to introduce our PA series power connectors. The raw material of this SAPI import USA PC material. Please have a look at the connectors. The currents from 45 amperes, 75, 120, 180, and 350. Please have a look at this. The voltage 1000 volts. Without the load, the disconnect circles 10,000 times. Here I would like to introduce the terminals, almost up to 90% copper and play with the silver, high conductivity. And about this one, are real terminals we made by our factory in-house. About the cable assembled with the connectors, we made over 10,000 times. Here we just show you 3 kinds. As you can see, the connectors, we are using the PA housing, and with our terminals, there are lots of designs. As you can see, the cables, the length can be customized, and the housing, we have our own molds. And also we can design for our customers depending on the drawings. About our PA series, power connectors was used in a lot of applications. Today I just show you one of applications was used in the PDU. This is 6-pin connectors and with the 6-pin sockets. This product can be used in AI data center, UPS power, photovoltaic, energy storage, charging pile, special vehicles, rail transit, monitoring, forklift, electric vehicles, industrial automation, and robotics. As you can see, our power connectors and the terminals, about the cable assemblings, we also made ourselves in-house. It means that we control the quality from the beginning to the end. This product has passed UL, CUL, and CE certification. About the quality, no problem. If you have such a need of power connectors, please consider us. We can share our views and insights with you. We are the power distribution solution provider.